Hello, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and we're often asked, can I clean the roof myself? Well, you probably could, but here are some of the reasons why we recommend that you don't. So the chances are you'll use a ladder, climb up onto the roof, and you'll end up breaking more tiles than you need to clean. And most homeowners aren't actually used to working at height. We use the latest powered access equipment, so we don't walk on the roof, and all our staff are health and safety trained to be working at height, whether that's through IPAF for using a cherry picker or through PASMA for using tower scaffolds. So you may actually have your own Karcher at home, which runs about 2000 psi. This is far too much pressure and can cause further damage and may lift the tiles. You also need to think about the moss and where this is going to be going, and the chances are it's going to be going straight into the gutters. So you need to think about how you're going to clear those out. With Alfresco, we use low pressure, about 900 psi, which is enough to remove the moss and dirt without causing any damage. We systematically clean through the roof, starting at the ridge, working our way down. And we always have the gutter vac on hand to make sure we keep the gutters clear whilst we're working. Alfresco Exterior Cleaning have been cleaning exteriors on properties for 26 years now. All of our staff are fully trained and insured. To save yourself the hassle and grief against potential damage, why not call in the professionals and arrange for a free home assessment by calling 01235 754 000.